Guys, what's up, welcome back to my channel. So it's another week, it's another unit. So this beautiful unit is from Myfirstwig. I'm going to show you guys how I would style this unit. Now one thing about this unit that I'm noticing, because I just got it out the pack, I did not wash it, I didn't do anything. I did plug the front a little bit because the front of my hairline was just too bulky. I don't know, it wasn't necessarily bulky, it just didn't fit my hairline, so I did pluck it a little bit, but I'm gonna pluck it more, don't worry. But this hairline, this hair is from Myfirstwig, and sorry guys, my eyes looking all crazy, and it comes pre-cut, pre-bleached, and pre-plucked. But I feel like with this particular one, I'm gonna have to pluck it a little bit more just so it can like match my hairline more. But the lace look really good on this hairline. Another thing about this unit, it's kind of a little bit on a silky side, so if you like a silky hair texture, this would be perfect for you. I'm more of a yaki hair texture type of girl, but I did want to come on here and show you guys how a silky hair texture would look. So I'm going to go ahead and hot comb the roots a little bit just so I can see how it's laying, but it is very silky, okay? So in order sometimes to really see how the wig is laying and how your hairline is laying, you have to hot comb your hairline, you guys, a little bit so you can really see. A lot of times I do this on the mannequin head. I cannot just put a unit on my head without hot combing it, so I'll just hot comb it like this, and then I'll go back and see what I have to pluck, if I have to pluck anything. Because although these units say pre-pluck, we still want it to mimic our natural, you know, hairline. You want it to frame your face so it don't look like wiggy, you know? What's going on in the hairline area. Okay? Alright, now I can kind of see. Not really on this side, I can't see. I gotta pull it back a little bit more. That's why it's best to do this on a mannequin head. I like to do this on a mannequin head, y'all, because I can see when it's on a mannequin head. I'm just trying to be lazy right now. So we're gonna go ahead and glue it down a little bit, and then I'll go ahead and pluck whatever I need. Like up in this area, when it comes to my hair, let me pull it up a little bit. So I'll probably have the unit right here. I like it to look a little bit more thinner up in this area, so I'm gonna just pluck it a little bit more quickly. Not too much, just a little bit more up in this area. See, just look better. Okay, so let's glue this on. I kind of want to just spray it with some water resistant spray. I think I'm going to just spray it on today. I'm not going to glue. I think I'm going to just spray it. Yeah, I kind of want to not glue it. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to lift it like this. I'm going to spray some spray. And I'll let it melt a little bit. Sorry, y'all. Okay. So now the spray on. I need to hook my blow dryer up just so it don't move. You guys, my blow dryer, I have to go hook it up. I think it's something's going on with this. I don't want to work. But I'm just going to hold it for a couple of seconds and then I'm going to tie it down. But look at the lace. Look how that lace melted. That looks really cute. Alright guys, so I tied the hair down and I did a little scoopy scoop, nothing major. This baby hair kind of big, a little too big for me. But I already kind of made it a little hard. So this is how the hair look. As you can see, it looks a lot better when I like flatten it out a little bit. I'm gonna attempt to put a little bit of curls, but not like that, because like I said, this hair is a lot thinner than what I normally wear. Well, I won't say, it's just a different texture, so I don't want it to look thin. So I am just gonna take my wand and just put random curls in it just so it can keep its texture. I don't really care about it looking too curled. I want to kind of go for these like loose curls, you know what I mean? Like just kind of like barely there, and then I'm going to spray some hairspray on it, kind of like that. I'm not really touching the bottom of it. I'm kind of letting the bottom like stay straight, and I'm just using my wand, y'all. So I'm just wrapping it and I'm leaving the ends straight. Kind of like that. I'm not even cutting layers in my hair. I don't even want to cut layers. I'm sure if you cut layers, it will look a lot more fuller. But I just want the curls to be like effortless. But so far the hair is looking cute. I love this color. You guys know this is a color that I would wear. Lately I've been wearing colors. I've been doing a lot of different things with my hair. You guys know I've been wearing my pixie cut, and I really love my pixie cut, but I can't just wear one hairstyle. I have to like do different things with my hair. Oh, that's cute. Very cutesy. I'm gonna push this one going back. So yeah, I'm gonna do that all the way around, guys, and then I'll show you guys the finished look. Okay guys, so here is the final look of my hair, and this is just like a messy bob. When I tell you I barely did any curls on this hair, but that's kind of what I was going for. Very messy looking, kind of look like bed hair, like I just rolled out of bed. And I put a lot of hairspray on this hair just to make it look like kind of on a full side, y'all, because I like volume. Now if I was to cut this hair in layers, I feel like it'll be like fire, but I don't feel like cutting my hair in layers. But in the future I might cut it like a little shorter like this. I think that'll be really nice as well. But this is just easy, y'all, and all I do is just take little pieces of the hair. I'll take my wand and I just curl them in different ways. And I do have, like I said, I have a lot of hairspray on my hair. And then I just like, oops. Nothing has to be like super uniform. Woke up and like a on-the-go model type of vibe. Like I just woke up and my hair is a mess, but it's a vibe. Y'all know, throw my shades on top of my head and I like it. Like I said, I'll probably cut it a little bit. I'm gonna just cut a little bit of it just so it could be a little bit more blunt. Cause I like this. Now that I've got it how I want it, I like this. See? Like that messy hair look. Let's do this side. Just cutting it a little bit. One thing about me when it comes to my hair, I love to frame my hair. Like, I don't care what kind of unit it is. I have to make it my own and like add that little twist to it just to make it your own. Go for it. Like, oh, your hair is not really done, but it's done. Okay? Period. If you want to get this look, make sure you guys check out the link down below. I'll leave everything down below for you guys. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, guys.